Hey y'all have been finding so many goodies at Dollar Tree. Well, I've came across a couple YouTubers who they go to Dollar Tree and they've been finding some good stuff. So I'm on my way into a location. I don't go in here much, but this is one of my favorite locations to come see if I can find new stuff. Yes, I got a mask on. I still wear a mask inside of the store because I've had COVID twice. And I don't want to get it no more, y'all. It is not fun. If you've not had it, don't catch it. It's horrible. So I didn't realize no music was playing, and therefore I did not talk. I did a little bit towards the end, but for the most part, I'll be voiceovering some of this. You guys have seen this aisle before if it looks familiar. We have been here before. I spotted these new nail wraps by B Color. I thought these were cute. They had some other styles that I'm trying to show y'all here, but it was not a great angle. I was going to get a pack, but I ended up putting it back because every time I get these, I never ever use them. So I just put them back. But if you guys have tried them, let me know what y'all think about them. Oh my god, y'all, when I spotted this Sally Hansen out the corner of my eye, I was like, what? They had these Insta Dries, which I was really surprised to see. I'm like, okay, Dollar Tree, since they've changed since they turned to $1.25. They had a couple of good colors. I was shocked to see these as well, the I Love Nail Art, like nail polish striper. I don't think I got any of those either because I have a bunch that I may have used one time and I've had them forever. They also had some of the Sally Hansen Salon Manicure bottles as well that I'm going to show you guys here in a second. They didn't have a lot of good colors in those though. Only gonna get enough that I could fit in my hands, but once I seen those Sally Hansens, I was like, okay, let me go get a little basket because I know I'm gonna be picking up a few things that I'm not gonna be able to hold, so I had to run and go get one. Okay, this is what I was looking for. I spotted the China Glaze. They had a few of the same colors that they had at another Dollar Tree I went to. I did not film there, but I picked a purple one up there. But this color I had to get. It was a really pretty light pink called Fresh Princess. This one I was trying to see if it was like a hollow or like a glitter, so I opened it to check it, but it was just like one of those silk formulas, and I don't too much like those. It was a pretty color, but I just don't like the formula. That one was a Grinchy New Year, or Have a Grinchy New Year, or something like that. It was really pretty glitter. This one was like a gold glitter called Celebrate. This was like a blue glitter, and it was called Let's Do It. It had like blues and purples in it. They also had a few of the new color gel-like nail polishes. They were pretty colors. I didn't pick up any because I think I picked up one at the last Dollar Tree that I went to. So I didn't grab one here. They had a bunch of these blue Wet n Wilds, no other colors. I was surprised to see they had these new color nail tabs. I was so tempted to pick this up only because it was cute, but the nail polish were super tiny and I figured I probably wouldn't even use it. I may only use the shimmer, if that, so I did not grab that either. I'm trying not to pick up things that I know I'm not going to use. Now we're just gonna go for a walk down the self-care aisle. I was looking for some of the Freeman products. I just spotted two while editing this video. It was one next to what I just showed you guys, the foot cream, and then there is a cosmic metallic peel-off mask that was just under this shelf. I didn't see that while I was there. I don't really like peel-off face masks. Do you guys? I think they kind of hurt. If you guys know of any that don't feel painful, let me know. But yeah, let me know what y'all think about face peel-off masks. Are their ready to use essential oils by Aroma Guru. I do have one. I believe they were droppers and they did have a nice smell to them. They were pretty good. So this Power Stick Foot and Heel Cream and the Shave Cream I did like the Shave Cream for my legs. The Foot and Heel Cream was okay, just not thick enough for me. So in a second here, I'll be pointing out their thicker, fuller hair shampoo. I have about 4 bottles. I've been using it a couple months now, and it is working. I also have their thicker, fuller hair volume serum, and that works good. I put it in my hair while wet, and then I blow dry, and it does give my hair some good volume. I use these microfiber hair wraps after washing my hair every time. The one I've had for a while. I probably should have picked one up. I was surprised to see them at Dollar Tree because mine, I paid maybe $5 to $7 for it. Those pretty bright bottles down there at the bottom are the Bolero new shampoo and conditioner. They have them for like different hair types, dry, damaged, stuff like that. And they also have some new hair perfume spray. I also spotted a lot of cute hair clips, some that I did not show, and they also had a lot of cute headbands and ponytail holders. I spotted some new Bolero body scrubs. Look at that. Self-workout wonder, and grapefruit and pomegranate, coconut milk and coffee, awaken your glow, watermelon and aloe, bath time bliss, and mango butter and honey, love your shine. These I like keeping in my car, guys. They're great for a car like scented mist. I picked up some of these a while back to use in the foot spa. They have this new facial mist in hibiscus and chamomile and relaxing. Some of the bubble cakes, they smell really good. And what else did I see? They still have these great liquid hand soaps. They're like $20 on Amazon for 3 or something, $25 for 3. And I spotted these Body Organics coconut shea butter and tropical scented body wash. I'm not sure if it's any good, but they look nice packaging. That's pretty much about it. They have some cute little bags. I like to keep bags like this in like my car for like when I'm going to Aldi's and different things like that. Yeah, so I think that's it. I'm gonna get the heck out of here. I have a basket full. Alright, you guys, so I got the goods and I'm ready